Hey, I want to do a quick update video here for you and show you that these electrical boxes are going in. So here's what they're going to be looking like. So they got 2 of them in. We had the inspector come out. He's already approved them, so we're all good to go. And again, all of these are going to get replaced, and then they're going to start working down here on the overall look of the place. So we'll get all this painted. They're already getting all the stuff out, and we'll get this all trashed out and get the new locks on all these doors here. So I wanted to shoot a quick video here to show you that. But basically we're going to be putting in 9 meters over here on this one. And this is what they look like right there. And the city has come out and approved those. So, and here's all your meters, new meters. So, right here. Here's the approval right there. That was done on, so there's the approval. So we're all good. So we just got to keep moving, and we will, and everything will be good. But I just want to get you this quick one, and then we'll go ahead and get these heaters maintained and taken care of. Thanks. And again, I want to just do a quick video, show you what we're working on, and I'll get another one for you next week. Thanks, and have a great day.